Hello my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the three currency pairs that I'm going to be looking out for. If you're eager, if you want to back 500, 1000, 2000 pips, depending on how your risk appetite is or how aggressive you are in trading, if you want to make between 500 to 2000 pips in the next 2 weeks, stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to be showing you three currency pairs which I'll be looking out for, in which I know the direction. And as a swing trader, I have been trading for 2 years now. I have evolved from being a scalper to day trade to being a swing trader. So in this video, even if you're a scalper or a day trader, you can still benefit from it, because you're going to know the direction of this chart that I'm going to be talking about. So whenever you want to trade based on the direction of where this chart is going. You're not going to be confused again. So without any further ado, I'm just going to jump into the chart right now and show you guys what I'm looking out for. So hello everybody, this is my chart. This is USDJPY. USDJPY is one of my favorite pairs. I've been making money with USDJPY. So in this video I'm going to show you direction of the flow. So as you can see, I trade with levels. When you look at my chart, you see I have nice levels, and when you look at this level, you see that price respects my level. Whenever it gets here, it drops. Whenever it gets here, it drops. And this is in a daily time frame for you to know that this is a massive pips. But let me show you this drop now. When the chart gets here and dropped up to this level, let me show you what happened now. When market was here and dropped up to like somewhere here, this is like 700 pips. So when I tell you that you're going to back 500 to 2000 pips, I know what I'm saying. When the market was somewhere here, I predicted this drop up to somewhere here. I predicted like 400 pips drop on USDJPY, and as you can see, USDJPY is done falling and is about to start trending also. So if you watch my video, if you go to my YouTube channel now, there's a video I dropped about Dapo Willis course. I was talking about the course and how the course helped me to scale. So if you check my YouTube channel, this is the video here, Dapo Willis mastery course. I talked about how Dapo Willis course actually helped me to actually be a very good swing trader. So in that video I was talking about USDJPY and where USDJPY was going. I was saying that USDJPY is going to consolidate over somewhere here and drop up to somewhere here, and from here to here is about 400 pips. So but that's not what I'm here to talk about. What I'm here to talk about is the current move of USDJPY, where USDJPY is going. So this is the daily time frame. As you can see, USDJPY is done falling. Okay, let me go to 4 hours time frame so you guys can see what I'm saying. You guys can see what I'm saying. So when you draw a trend line from here to somewhere here, you see that USDJPY have already broken this trend line and started trend line. As you can see now, it hits this my level. I wanted to fall and also came back and broke the level, and now it's here. As you can see, when you look at this now, you can look at this candlestick now, it shows you that chart is about to start trending upward. And also, as you can see, this is a retest on my level, and based on my strategy and what I know I've been trading, this USDJPY is coming here. So let me check how many pips that this thing is going to bag down. So I'm going to be expecting about 400 pips from USDJPY. So you can double down if you want to make 2000 pips or 1000 pips. When you enter the trade, you can double your trade. If you are using 0.05, you can put 0.05 to 2 places in 3 places to actually maximize your profit. I said it here, this is the first time I'm actually coming here to actually tell you guys this. And USDJPY is coming to 149.200. I said it here. So the next trade on my list is GBPUSD. So the next trade on my list is GBPUSD. GBPUSD, guys are saying what's going on here. So GBPUSD, this is a weekly time frame, and you can see GBPUSD is going nicely. Look at my levels. So this level, I actually plot this level. I don't actually remove it. This is how the levels has been here for like the past 1 year now. These are like the level that I use whenever I come online. The only thing I do is that whenever the levels like this one that is shorter, I just extend it, because markets usually respect this level. If you actually want to learn this level, you have to message me on Instagram at Trades. I'm going to display it. I'm going to teach you how to plot these levels nicely. So let me go to daily time frame. It's kind of trying to give us head and shoulder here on my level. This is a very critical place, like as you can see here, head and shoulder. You can see here. So the only thing I'm looking out for is GBPUSD. What I'm looking for in GBPUSD is to break this my trend line. Once this my trend line is broken, this is my trend line here. Let me go to 4 hours time frame for you to see what I'm saying. Once this my trend line is broken, because this my trend line is coming from a way far place. Let me draw a line. So once like a 4-hour candle settles below this my trend line, Otilo, just know that the chart is coming down to back. I'm going to back about 275 pips. 275 pips, easy. And if it breaks this level, it's also coming down to this one, which is about 400 pips. This is like 600 pips already. So the only thing I'm looking out for now is for this candlestick to break this my trend line and settle. A 1-hour candlestick settles below this my trend line. I'm shorting, I'm doubling up. I'm not even thinking twice. I need to short this thing, and it's going to come all the way down to here. And if it breaks this level, it's coming up all the way down to here. So but I don't have to just say that when it breaks this my trend line, it's going to fall and all of that. So I'm going to actually watch out this my level closely. If this chart breaks this my level, like goes up and come down, I'm retest on top here, obviously it's going to start trending upwards. And if it trades upwards, you're still going to back some profit again, because I know that if it trades upward, it's going to come to this level here, this top level here, and that's about how many pips? That's about 382 pips. That's almost 400 pips. You're just going to be patient about this and watch out what this chart is going to do, and capitalize on it and back your own profit. That's how we roll. My last chart is gold. It's XAUUSD. So if you have been looking at XAUUSD for the past like 5 or even up to should I say 10 years, this XAUUSD has never reached this high of $21,050. It has never reached $21,050. So this is like the first time it's reaching this high, and I'm actually like skeptical, because whenever markets reach this high, what you expect next is market to start falling. And looking at my chart closely, as you can see, and based on what I'm seeing on my chart and what I'll be looking out for is sell. So let me go to weekly time frame for you guys to see the overview of what's actually happening. So this gold, what I'm going to do is that, as you can see, if you look at the higher time frames, you look at the weekly time frame, you see that, or even the monthly time frame, you see that gold has actually made a very unreasonable high, and what we expect is for gold to start falling. And also when you look at gold, also looking at this trend line from here to here, you will notice that you have to actually pay attention to this place, this trend line. And if gold was able to pass this my psychological level, if this trend line resists this gold and resists this gold from going upwards, or if this gold resists this gold from going upwards, and you have to watch this my psychological levels closely. These are 2040.000 and 2020.00. If price was able to settle below this 2020.000, that means this XAUUSD is bearish and it's going to be falling, and it's going to fall from this 2020 to 1960.00, and if it breaks that 1960.00, it's going to drop to 1880.49, and after that it's going to drop to 1805.77. But just watch here closely, and even if you break this trend line and also start going upwards, you're just going to watch this black line up here, 21,000. So you're just going to watch there. If price is able to break that place and it test, that means OT is going to head upwards. But if price hits there and start testing back, obviously it's going to be a bearish. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the trade. If this is first time you're actually watching this YouTube video, consider subscribing, because we are just starting. This is like episode 1, and episode 1 analysis. I'm going to be coming on to this YouTube channel every 2 weeks to actually be talking about what I've been looking out for. Peace out. I love you.